This home qualifies for no down payment and $2,500 off closing costs. Available with credit score above 500. Beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home on a spacious corner lot in Garland. This 1,710 square foot home offers a perfect blend of modern upgrades and classic charm. Step inside to an open floor plan featuring stylish wood-look flooring, a cozy fireplace, and abundant natural light. The remodeled kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, subway tile backsplash, and a breakfast bar that flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with its own fireplace, ensuite bath, mosaic tile accents, and updated fixtures. 2 additional spacious bedrooms provide flexibility for family and guests. Outdoor living shines with a large covered patio and a balcony overlooking the generous backyard, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The backyard offers plenty of space for pets, gardening, or adding your personal touch. A 2-car garage provides ample storage and parking. Recent foundation repairs come with a transferable warranty for peace of mind. Additional updates include fresh paint, modern lighting fixtures, and upgraded bathrooms. Located in an established neighborhood within Garland ISD with choice of schools, this home offers easy access to schools, shopping, dining, and major highways. With its thoughtful upgrades, charming details, and prime location, this home is move-in ready and waiting for you. Enjoy the convenience of nearby parks, walking trails, and recreational facilities, making